Welcome to 15-minute yoga practice for hips and lower back to help you release the feeling of tension and tightness in these areas. We will begin standing in a ragdoll position. Place your feet around hip distance apart. Bend your knees. Bring your belly on top of your thighs. Relax the upper body, head, neck, shoulders. And hold the opposite elbows with your hands. Let your upper body hang heavy here. Keep your knees bent as much as you need to feel the release on your lower back. You can stay still or rock a little side to side, back and forth. Maybe bend and straighten the legs one by one. Shift the weight from one foot to another. Shake your head. Then take a big breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose, sigh it out through the mouth. And last one, inhale through the nose. Exhale it out. Release your palms to the mat and come into tabletop position on your hands and knees. For a few rounds of cat and cow here to mobilize the spine. As you inhale, lift your tailbone and chest up. Exhale, press the floor away and round the back. Inhale to arch the back, pull your chest up, shoulders back. And exhale, round, draw navel in, chin to chest. Move with your breath a few more times like this. Come back to neutral tabletop position, and for child's pose, bring your feet and knees together. Sit your hips towards your heels, extend your arms out in front of you on the mat, release your forehead down, and take a few breaths here. I like this child's pose variation with knees together because it helps me to feel more release in the lower back. But if it's uncomfortable for you for any reason, just take your knees a little wider. Try to relax your whole body here, with each breath allowing it to become heavier and sink towards the mat. Stay here or add a bit more side stretch by walking your hands towards your left and body shifting more towards your left leg, your left knee. Extend your right arm far forward to feel the stretch on the right side from the hip through the side of the waist and lower back. Then bring your hands over to the other side, to your right. Find the stretch on the left side of the body and breathe there. Bring your hands back to center, walk your fingertips far forward, creating length in the upper body. One big breath in and out. Then come up to your hands and knees and sweep your legs forward in front of you, coming into seated position. Keep your right leg straight, foot flexed, toes point up to the ceiling. Bring your left foot to the outside of your right thigh for a twist. Hug your left thigh with your right arm, sit up straight. With inhale, reach your left arm up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the left, release your fingertips or palm down and look back over your left shoulder. With each inhale, try to create more length in the spine. With exhale, twist just a little more to the left. And keep hugging your left knee towards the chest for a bit more hip stretch on the outside of your left thigh. One more breath in and breath out. Come back to center. Position your left ankle above your right knee. Place your hands behind you for support. Bend your bottom leg for seated pigeon or figure 4 stretch. You should feel this stretch on the outside of your left thigh, somewhere on the glute. Similar to pigeon, but maybe not as intense. The closer the chest is to the left shin, the deeper the stretch. And if you need to increase the stretch, just keep lifting your chest up, pulling it towards your shin. Straighten your right leg again and place your left foot on the inside of your right thigh. Rotate your chest towards your straight leg. With inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward towards your straight leg. Catch your ankle or foot. Inhale, straighten your spine again, from the lower back to the crown of the head. Exhale, release a bit more towards your leg. You can just stay still, breathe in this stretch, or moving a little with each breath. On the inhale, creating more length in the spine. On the exhale, softening and releasing a bit more. Slowly come back up to seated and let's switch sides. Straighten your left leg out. Place your right foot on the outside of left thigh. Left leg stays active, toes point up. Hug your right thigh. With inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, twist to the right. Look back over your right shoulder. And keep hugging your right thigh towards the chest. One more breath here. And then come back to center. Position your right ankle over your left knee. Right foot is flexed. Hands behind you for support, bend your bottom leg and find this comfortable distance between your chest and shin where you feel a nice stretch on the hip. To increase the stretch, keep lifting your chest up. Walk your bottom foot closer towards your sit bones. Slowly straighten your bottom leg. Place your right sole of the foot on the inside of left thigh. Turn your torso towards your straight leg. With inhale, reach arms up to the sky. Exhale, fold forward towards your leg. And again, your choice to stay still or keep moving with each breath. With inhale, create more length in the spine from the lower back to the crown of the head. With exhale, soften the body. Release your chest more towards the knee, towards your thigh. Slowly lift your upper body, straighten both legs, shake them out a little. And then for the next seated forward bend variation, keep your knees bent so you don't have to worry about your hamstrings and we can target the back more. Sit up nice and tall. Take a big inhale to lengthen the spine, lift your chest up. And exhale, keep the spine as long as you can as you fall down. Bring your chest towards the knees. You can hold your shins or feet. And then again, just like before, with each inhale, try to lengthen the back even more. Pull your chest forward. And exhale, soften the body a bit more. Try to keep this contact between belly and thighs. And if this feels easy, you can always straighten the legs a bit more. Add more stretch on the back of the legs. Last breath here. And then lift your torso. Cross your legs. Bring your ankles underneath your knees. Flex the feet. With inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, fold forward to your shins. Place your hands on the mat. Then walk your hands over to the left, bringing your torso more towards your left leg. Walk your right hand, your fingertips far forward for a big stretch on the right side of the body. Walk your fingertips to the other side. Left hand is reaching far forward. Bring your hands back to center and one breath here. Inhale, create more length in the spine. And exhale, release your body towards your legs. Slowly walk your hands back to come to cross-legged seat. With inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. I hope your body is feeling better after these hip and lower back stretches. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye!